All right, so we're taking a look at Cloudwatch cheat sheet here, and we're going to do an overview, and then I have a few cheat sheets for very specific services. So the first thing you need to know is the pillars of observability. So metrics, logs, and traces is what gives us observability, and we need to use those all together. You can't just use them in isolate. AWS Cloudwatch is a collection of monitoring services. So we have logs. This is a centralized log management service. So AWS services generate out logs, and then you might have custom application logs running on your EC2 instance. Then you have insights. This is a robust way to filter your logs. It auto-detects log patterns, creates dynamic fields, and then you're able to compose queries. Then you have metrics. This aggregates data points from AWS services to produce a metric. A very common one could be average CPU utilization. Then you have alarms. This defines a threshold on a metric and reacts by triggering an action such as an EC2 autoscaling, or SNS action. Then you have Cloudwatch Events, now known as Event Bridge. This is a serverless account-wide event bus. It allows you to create event-driven, loosely coupled apps with AWS services. Then you have dashboards. This creates a dashboard filled with graphs powered by Cloudwatch metrics. Then you have Container Insights. This collects, aggregates, and summarizes metrics and logs from your containerized apps and microservices. And then we have Contributor Insights. This allows you to view the top contributors impacting the performance of your systems and applications in real time. Then we have Synthetics. This tests your web apps if they're broken. It's using Puppeteer underneath, if you know what that is. That's just a headless Chrome browser. And then the last thing on our list here is Service Lens. And this gives you observability for distributed or serverless apps by pulling in X-ray traces, Cloudwatch logs, and metrics. So there's the overview, and we'll move on to more specific Cloudwatch services.